Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number first. Today's we are going to start our new series which is Bootstrap 4. So Bootstrap 3 is the previous version of the Bootstrap family and also Bootstrap 2 is the legacy version of the Bootstrap. So we will discuss about the new things available in Bootstrap 4 and we are going to discuss from the scratch like what is the framework, how many frameworks available in the market and why we have selected the Bootstrap and we definitely discussed about the grid systems in Bootstrap family with different kind of classes because thousands of classes available in the Bootstrap. Okay, so why we use framework? Since Bootstrap is a front end framework, and why we are saying that this is the front end framework because we create the responsive website by using the Bootstrap. Okay, before Bootstrap, you know very well that you have a HTML and also the CSS or the CSS3. You can create the web page by using the HTML or HTML5. You can make them attractive or you can style with CSS and also the CSS3. But mobile first is the major problem while working in custom environment before Bootstrap. Why? Because you always use the media queries for every type of device. So that's why. So we use the Bootstrap 3, 4 or the Bootstrap latest version for the mobile first. Why we are saying mobile first? That means we write a single code which execute on every device. Like if we run a specific code in iPhone 6s or iPhone 7, we can also execute the same device in the large screen like 32 inches, like 50 inches LCDs or LEDs. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the 28 inches LED now. I'm working on it. So if you access the same code, it will execute or it will work properly in this device. But you can also execute the same code in the small device. I'm talking about the Notepad. I'm talking about the iPhone X family or iPhone 6, 7, and iPhone Max and also similar devices Samsung. So we are going to start from the zero. Then we will discuss gradually. Then we discuss each and everything uh, from fundamentals from core to the advanced level. And we are going to cover uh, some projects in this series. So I hope you will enjoy this series. So in the next lecture, we are going to continue and we are going to discuss some other things. So thank you for watching.